Evelyn, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Have good health and long life. And more blessing to you and to your family. O, say happy birthday, Lola Evelyn. Happy birthday. Puro pa cute. Sige na. Ingat kayo lahat dyan. We will miss you.
Oh, happy birthday! Evelyn sister! Marami ba handa? Oh, sana maging maayos kayo lahat dyan, family mo. Lalo na si RJ. Oh, sige, mag-iingat kayo lahat dyan, ha? Oh, good.
Hi, Mama Evelyn! Mama Evelyn, happy 65th birthday. And sana marami pang blessings na dumating. And enjoy your day. And we miss you.
Hi, Mama Evelyn! Happy birthday from us and Austin! We love you and we miss you!
Mama!
Hi, my beautiful sister. Happy 65th birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless you. More happiness and blessing. More power in your life. Be strong. I miss you so much. Love you very much. Love you.
Happy birthday!
See you
Love you
soon!
all.
See you!
Hi, this Austin, Jacob, Mama Evelyn, happy birthday. My beautiful sister, happy 65th birthday. God bless you. More happiness and blessing and good luck, good health. As Austin, good morning, Mami Evelyn. Hello, Mami Evelyn. Happy birthday, love Austin. Bye, baby. Austin, enjoy your day. Special day mo. Birthday again, and I love you very, very much. Ay, birthday daw, sabi ni Austin. I-sleep na si Austin. Love you. And to all, say, happy birthday to you. Sabi mo kay mama na, happy birthday. I love you very much. Love.